All right, this quiz is going to give you different questions from each of the sections that we've completed this week. So we have our side lengths. Remember, this is a squared, this is b squared, this is c squared, and a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So you need to plug in your numbers. 5 squared plus 6 squared equals x squared, and solve for x. I'm going to guess here as to not give you guys the answer. Okay. Oh, here's where they don't give us a triangle, but we have to click all that apply. So if we did have our triangles, this would be 4, 7, 9, 5, 12, 13, 20, 22, 24. And we would need to make sure that in each of these situations that we're going to choose as answers, that it works. That if we're looking at A, we'd want to make sure 4 squared plus 7 squared equals 9 squared. If they equal each other, yes, it works. If they don't equal each other, then that's not an answer choice. I'm just going to choose a random one, and it's probably going to be wrong, and that's okay, because I am just going through to show you how to solve them or give you some advice. Okay, next is an isosceles triangle, and we're going to find the value of x in the isosceles triangle. So here's where we remember that this value, since we're only looking at half, would actually be x over 2. And we are also going to remember what x over 2 looks like when it's squared. So we'd have 3 squared over x over 2 squared equals square root of 45. So we know 3 squared is 9. Just a reminder that this would be x squared over 4. Ooh, that's not really 4. Still ugly. And that when we have a square root and we square it, that would just be 45, okay? So I'm again going to click a random answer here. This one says 2 sides of a right triangle measure 2 units and 4 units. What is the area of the square that shares a side with the third unit? Okay, so here, not only do we need to solve 2 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared, once we find x, we need to square it. So if we had 4 plus 8 equals x squared, that would be 4 plus 8, 12. So it would just be 12. We wouldn't take the square root of 12. The answer would just be 12 because it's the area. So let's try that one again. Sorry, because 4 squared is not 8, it's 16. So that'd be 20. I'm very tired. As you can see, it's 10:46. There we go. All right. Find the value. So this one is what we've been working on, just with decimals. So feel free to use your calculator here. And remember that this is our a squared. This would be our b squared, but it'd actually be x squared would equal c squared. And I'm just going to guess an answer choice. All right, there's your quiz. Let us know if you have any questions.